Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Computer Learning. In our last video, we learned about online safety tips. Today, we are going to learn about something that is the first line of defense for all your online accounts: how to create a strong password. Most people use very weak passwords and do not even realize it. Today, we will learn exactly what makes a password strong and how to create one that is almost impossible to hack. Let's get started. Why is a strong password important? Your password is the key to all your online accounts: Gmail, Facebook, Instagram, online banking, and everything else. If your password is weak, a hacker can crack it in seconds using special software and gain access to all your personal information, photos, and even your bank account. According to security research, the most commonly used passwords in the world are 123456, password 1234567889, and QWERTY. These passwords can be cracked by a hacker in less than 1 second. Simple example: a weak password is like a lock on your door that can be opened with a hairpin. It looks like a lock, but provides almost no real protection. A strong password is like a heavy-duty deadbolt lock that takes enormous effort to break. What makes a password weak? Before learning how to create a strong password, let us first understand what makes a password weak. A password is weak if it is too short, less than 8 characters. It is weak if it contains only numbers like 123456. It is weak if it contains only letters like password or ABC. It is weak if it uses your personal information like your name, date of birth, or phone number. It is weak if it uses common words from the dictionary like sunshine or football. It is weak if it uses keyboard patterns like QWERTY or ASDFGH. Simple example: using your name or date of birth as a password is like writing your house key code on the door itself. Anyone who knows you can easily guess it. What makes a password strong? A strong password has several important characteristics. It must be at least 12 characters long. The longer, the better. It must contain a mix of uppercase letters, like ABC. It must contain lowercase letters, like ABC. It must contain numbers like 1, 2, 3. It must contain special symbols like exclamation mark, @, hash, $, or asterisk. It must not contain your personal information. It must be unique, different from all your other passwords. The longer and more complex your password is, the harder it is to crack. A 12-character password with mixed characters would take a modern computer millions of years to crack by brute force. How to create a strong password. Here are 3 proven methods to create strong passwords that are also easy for you to remember. Method 1. The passphrase method. Instead of using a single word, use a combination of 4 or more random words together. For example, take 4 random words like coffee, mountain, bicycle, thunder, and combine them to make coffee, mountain, bicycle, thunder. Now add some numbers and symbols to make it even stronger, like coffee at mountain 47 bicycle thunder. This type of password is very long, very strong, and also relatively easy to remember because it tells a story in your mind. Simple example: passphrase method is like creating a secret sentence that only you know the meaning of. It is long enough to be very secure, but meaningful enough for you to remember. Method 2, the substitution method. Take a normal word or phrase and replace some letters with numbers and symbols that look similar. For example, take the word password and transform it like this. Replace A with @, replace S with $, replace O with 0. So password becomes P @SW0RD, WHICHLOOKSLIPE, P @SW0D, which looks like P @SW0D. This is easy to remember because you start with a word you know, but the final result is very strong because of the substitutions. Method 3. Use a password generator. The easiest and most secure method is to use a password generator tool. These tools automatically create completely random, strong passwords for you. You can use the built-in password generator in your browser or use free tools like Bitwarden or LastPass Password Manager. For example, a password generator might create something like KX7MP9 @QL2#. This is extremely strong and almost impossible to crack. The password manager saves it for you so you never need to remember it. Important password rules to follow. Never use the same password for multiple accounts. If one account gets hacked and you use the same password everywhere, all your accounts are at risk. Use a different, unique password for every single account. Never share your password with anyone, not even your friends or family members. A real company or bank will never ask you for your password via email, phone call, or message. Change your passwords regularly, at least every 6 months for important accounts like email and banking. Immediately change your password if you suspect your account has been compromised. Never write your passwords on paper and leave it near your computer. Never save passwords in a plain text file on your computer. Use a proper password manager instead. What is a password manager? A password manager is a secure app that stores all your passwords in an encrypted vault. You only need to remember one strong master password to access the vault. The password manager then automatically fills in your username and password when you visit websites. The best free password managers are Bitwarden, which is completely free and open source, and very trusted by security experts. Google Password Manager is built into Chrome and your Google account, and is very easy to use. Microsoft Authenticator is great for Windows users. Simple example, a password manager is like a secure safe in your house where you keep all your important keys. You only need to remember the combination to open the safe. The safe takes care of storing all the keys securely. How to check if your password has been hacked? There is a free website called haveibeenpwned.com where you can check if your email address or password has been leaked in a data breach. Just go to the website, type your email address, and it will tell you if your information has been exposed in any known data breach. If your email appears in a breach, immediately change the password for that account and any other account where you used the same password. Two-factor authentication, your backup protection. Even with a strong password, always enable two-factor authentication on all important accounts. As we learned in our last video, 2FA adds an extra verification step that makes it almost impossible for hackers to access your account, even if they know your password. Enable 2FA on Gmail, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and especially all banking and financial apps. Use an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator for the most secure 2FA experience. Quick summary. A strong password must be at least 12 characters long and contain uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. Never use personal information or common words. Use a different password for every account. Use a password manager to create and store strong passwords securely. Enable two-factor authentication on all important accounts. Check haveibeenpwned.com to see if your email has been in a data breach. So now you know exactly how to create a strong password and keep all your online accounts safe. Remember, your password is the first and most important line of defense for your online security. Take a few minutes today to update your weak passwords to strong ones. It could save you from a lot of problems in the future. In our next video, we will learn about cloud storage and Google Drive. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.